NVTS stock analysis and price predictions for Monday, 11th of August. Question is whether this is a buy or not. So watch this brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. One thing that I'll tell you is that I love the pre-market is a bit higher, 673, not a bunch, but just a good amount, because I'm looking to pull the trigger on this. I don't care if it's going to take 2-3 days for this to deliver or even not deliver ever. I'm just saying, I've done 45,000 videos over 5 years, spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors over that time period to figure this stuff out. You don't have to, right? I'm telling you what I did, and it began with me being bullish when it was $5. Now we're 6. That delivered to 7.5, came down, now correcting down into a beautiful demand. So the only thing that will make sense for me is if I see the second shift happening. And if I do not, guess what? I'm not gonna buy. Like, oh my goodness, crazy, right? You just don't act. 50 receipts in the Discord as well regarding NVTS. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights plus stock picks, click the first link in the description. It's free.